Today, we're going to show freelancers how to use Google Sheets to manage projects, track income, and stay organized in 2025. Whether you're managing multiple clients, deadlines, or invoices, Google Sheets is a powerful tool that can help you work smarter and save time. First, use Google Sheets to track projects and deadlines. Create a table with columns for client name, project, start date, due date, and status. You can use conditional formatting to highlight overdue tasks or upcoming deadlines. This keeps your workflow organized and ensures that no project is forgotten. Next, Google Sheets is excellent for tracking income and expenses. Create a simple budget sheet with columns for client, invoice date, amount, and payment status. Using formulas like sum and if can help you calculate total earnings, pending payments, and even taxes. This gives you a clear view of your finances without needing complicated software. Another key tip is managing client information. You can store client contacts, project details, and notes in a single sheet. With Google Sheets, all your important data is easily accessible, searchable, and shareable if needed. This is especially useful when handling multiple clients at the same time. Freelancers can also plan and analyze workloads. Use charts and graphs to visualize your monthly workload, income, or hours worked. This helps identify patterns, manage time effectively, and make informed decisions about taking on new projects. Finally, take advantage of templates and collaboration features. Google Sheets offers ready-made templates for invoices, project tracking, and budgets. You can also share sheets with clients or team members, allowing for real-time collaboration and updates without confusion. By using Google Sheets, freelancers can stay organized, manage finances, and handle projects efficiently, making their work life smoother and more productive in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more productivity tips for freelancers.